If your X, formerly Twitter, notifications feel way too busy, cluttered, or distracting, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off recommended notifications on your X account in a few simple steps. This is a great way to reduce unnecessary alerts, clean up your inbox, and only keep the notifications that actually matter to you. And if you enjoy quick and useful tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Let's jump right in. First, log into your X account. You can do this on desktop or mobile, but for this tutorial, I'll walk you through the menu path so you can follow along easily. Once you're signed in, look at the left-hand side menu and click More. This is where X keeps a lot of the extra account settings that are not visible on the main screen. After you click More, a list of options will open. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is the main control center for your account, where you can manage security, privacy, notifications, and content preferences. If you want to customize your X experience, this is one of the first places you should know. Now inside Settings and Privacy, click Notifications. This section controls how X alerts you across different devices and channels. Once you open it, you'll see several notification-related options. The one we want is Preferences, so click that next. Under Preferences, look for the Notifications section and then choose Email Notifications. This is where X sends you email-based alerts, including recommendations, suggestions, and product updates. If you've been getting too many promotional or recommendation emails from X, this is the exact place to turn them off. Now you'll see a list of different email notification categories. Here, you can turn off things like recommendations from X, suggestions for accounts to follow, product and feature updates, and news about X products and services. You can also take your time and switch off only the ones you don't want, while leaving the rest on if you still want important updates. The key is to customize it based on your preferences so your inbox stays useful instead of overwhelming. Once you've finished with email notifications, go back to the previous menu. Then look for push notifications and click that as well. Push notifications are the alerts that appear directly on your phone or browser, so if you want fewer interruptions, this is another important area to review. From here, turn off the push notification types you don't want receiving on your device. Just like the email section, you can adjust things carefully so you only keep the alerts that matter most to you. If you want a quieter X experience, disabling recommended notifications in both email and push settings will make a huge difference. And that's it. You've now learned how to turn off recommended notifications on your X account and reduce unnecessary alerts. This is a simple change, but it can make your account feel much cleaner and easier to manage every day. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.